Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIVE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty eventful day. Granted, the majority of the volume and movement came during the opening part of the day. However, to give credit where credit's due, it's not like it was a total train wreck, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But I'm sure you've seen stocks where, yeah, the morning starts off strong and the price makes a great move. However, by the time the closing bell rolls around, the price is basically right back to where it started. And that was not the case here. Yeah, there was a pullback, but it was good to see that the price was at least able to stabilize and start to chip away, a higher section of the chart up around here. And like I said, if you're kind of new, maybe that doesn't mean as much, but I assure you that as you go on and on, you'll see stocks that do make a great move, and then all of a sudden, literally the price goes back to where it started. So good to see that the price chipped away at that higher section of the chart, which brings about our first level of support. And that would be what I would consider the ideal level of support. Meaning, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the best going forward? Certainly if the price can stay up above 50 cents. Now, if the price does not hold above 50 cents, I'm not saying the entire chart is ruined, but the next key level that you would want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can actually already see the prices bounce off it nicely. But as the name implies, this line is going to move itself higher and higher as the week plays out. So again, yeah, preferably speaking, you want to see the price stay above 50 cents. But if it doesn't quite hold above there, then you do still have that purple line there. And as long as the price is above that moving average, then from the grand scheme of it all, you would still have to give the overall advantage to the bulls. However, if the price goes down there, breaks down through 50, and then all of a sudden breaks down through that purple line, at that point, that essentially would put the bears back into play. But as of right now, the price, hasn't even gone down and tested 50 cents, with the afternoon, playing out there. So the lowest it got was looking like right around 51 cents. So from that point of view, though, those are going to be the areas of support. Resistance-wise, key level that the price is currently dealing with is that pink line right there. You can see the price is really just getting caught up in that area right there. So that's going to be the current near-term level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then yeah, you can start to turn your attention to right here around the 54-cent mark. But as of right now, I think top priority, at least in my opinion, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so trying to stabilize out and go through healthy consolidation by staying up above 50 cents. So we'll see if the price can get that job done or not. But the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.